Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Dee,
I'm Kelly,
and we are Sisters
Sisters
of
of
Stitchcraft.
Stitchcraft. Who
Only
knows?
zooming quickly today because we have I haven't put a thing on mine. 77 box, our Bagmakers box.
I'm not going to hold mine up.
Oh, Kelly can't open hers up because guess what? She's opened it. I'm going to do my deal or no deal thing and open
Oh,
it
cool.
here. I love doing that.
Something really
I want to
satisfying
go on the
about it.
program so I can do that every day. All right, okay, you can open yours now.
Oh, yes.
Got purple, Kelly's favorite color.
I know. When I opened it, I was like, oh my God, this is so beautiful.
So, what have we got on here today? We'll have a look at the leaflet in a minute. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, good. That's my favorite color this
I
time.
know. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, but it's gorgeous. Sorry, we supposed to do, I just went straight in because I thought, oh,
Yes,
I love that. That was
yes, we're
good.
opening our Bagmakers box from Studio 77.
Did I not say that?
I
Sorry.
don't know.
It's all a bit chaotic. I've just got in from work. I've had one of them days today, I can tell you. It's all picking up at work.
Yes, there's
So,
there's a meter. Is it a meter or 2 meters?
I would say metre and a half.
Oh, okay, splitting it.
Okay.
Where's the little list of what's in there?
I don't know without my ruler.
2 meters, 2 meters,
2 meters.
2 meters.
Excellent. That's good.
Yes.
You know what I could use that for? It's slightly off topic of bags.
Yes, the
Alyssa,
puff.
yeah, Alyssa's puff. That much puff as well.
Perfect.
So, sweet treats. Love. You eat these? You can't eat these, can you?
They're vegan.
They are. I don't think they would. They've got gelatine in them, haven't they? Vegan ones.
No.
Oh, goodness. Look at that.
I had a couple and then gave the rest I gave one to Jean, one to Richie, and gave the rest to Maya, so I didn't eat them all.
Now I'm going to eat them all. I don't care.
Good for you. I'm trying to be good and not eat refined sugars.
Oh, you are, aren't you? You forgot
Yeah.
about that in your health kick.
Yes.
So we've got a sticker. Got your sticker?
2 stickers.
Oh, 2 stickers. I just picked up one and there's another one there. Oh, so which one we go first? Yeah.
Whoa. What's going on?
So one says make it of cool stuff because I don't know which way around that's going to be on the screen. And that one
Mine's
says
probably the wrong way round. No, it looks like it's the right way round. That's weird.
One. So yeah, if they look the right way around to you, I think that means they're not the right way around to everybody else.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've got an issue with the camera people. It's the wrong way round and it's doing my head in.
I have no
throwing
idea.
me. My hair's like parted on the wrong side in the camera that I can see.
I just don't look at myself. So you opened your bag then. Do you know
I've
what's
opened everything.
Oh, sorry, I've just thrown them all over the floor.
Bear with.
Down. Sorry. Oh my goodness, this is more chaotic than usual. I'm so sorry, everybody. Oh wow, look at these.
Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah. Oh, see now the problem is I can't use one of these for Alyssa's puff, can I? Because I know I can because I only need one for a bag. That's all right.
It depends on how many zips you've got on your bag, doesn't it?
I'll just make sure it's one.
Yeah.
So yeah, they're really pretty.
Pink zipper pulls to match the pink zipper.
I love this zipper. I love this zipper.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
And then you've got all the other hardware to go with it as well.
Yeah.
Half of mine's on the floor, I'm not going to lie.
Going the wrong way.
Because all the others are on the floor.
So yeah, so it's stunning. And now the fabric.
Hang on. Sorry, I'll do that in a minute. I like it when it's waterproof fabric.
Isn't it beautiful?
Stunning. This is absolutely gorgeous.
I'm thinking about making Alana a bag with this.
It's really soft inside as well. It's like a vinyl, isn't it?
I think it's a waterproof canvas. So on the back it says.
Well, it's the same thing, because although it looks like, I thought it was waterproof canvas, but it doesn't look like a waterproof canvas on the back.
Oh, it says pink and black ink twill waterproof canvas.
Oh, so it's a twill waterproof canvas.
Yeah.
That's exciting. But yeah, that's beautiful. I really like that. Oh, this box
is lovely, isn't it?
This box is so me, Kelly. It's my turn. It's me.
It's definitely very you. I think it's stunning though. I was really impressed when I opened it. I was like, oh my god, it's so beautiful.
It's got a bit of purple there too. Look, a little bit of purple.
Yeah, there's a little bit of black, a little bit of purple.
Yeah.
Almost a little bit of red. I thought until I held up this because I thought, oh, I could use.
Ooh.
No, that's not. No,
that's not. No, I didn't get one of them.
I was thinking of using that for like straps for the bag, but I'm not sure it'll go.
Colours, so like here, it gets quite ready, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah. So I'm not sure. I'll have to have a think about it.
Yeah.
But I think Alana would really like the straps.
Yeah, that's lovely. That's like my love one I put on my other thing, wasn't it? So. Oh, I really love that. And like I said, that's going to be really useful. So what bags have we got recommended in the...
Oh, do you know what? I didn't look. I haven't read the thing.
So...
What do you mean?
The West bag. Can't really see them in the pictures, can you? That's that.
Oh, so it looks a little bit like the beanie bag that you've just made.
It's very much like that, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. I like that.
Very much like it. Oh, the spork bag.
Yeah.
I've had that for ages, and I keep meaning to make it, and I keep forgetting. I've got a cork I want to do it in.
I was going to say it's cork. You've got cork.
I've got a load of cork that I need to use up in my sash. So yeah, I keep meaning to make it. I downloaded that when I first got this pattern. First found Studio 77 before I was getting the box, I think. Because I wanted to do one. I've got on, going slightly off topic here, people. On my quick hit stuff, I designed a little Chester.
Oh.
In vinyl, and I wanted to do one like that and make it like a little Radley. But a Chester.
Oh, yes.
That was my plan. I was going to make Lissa one and me one, but I never got around to it. So that's just...
You know what? Sorry, I've still got the TV on in the background. I didn't even notice.
Neither did I. That's just reminded me that I've got that pattern and I want to make that bag. So that's really good. Oh, I like that as well, that Esplanade bag.
Yeah, they're all really beautiful bags, aren't they? That's
a really handy bag. So, yeah, no, I like.
So for anybody who doesn't get the Studio 77, the 3 bags that are mentioned in this leaflet that we've got, we can get 20% off of them, off the pattern.
By clicking on the thing.
We've got like a QR code thing that you can scan.
So, yeah, I've just seen what she said about it. That was all, sorry.
No, that's okay.
Vibrant and fun. Hope it gives you inspiration through the dark nights of January. Definitely. Yeah, really, really happy with that.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I mean, I'm always really happy with it, but
I don't know where she gets it all from. I'd love to know.
Yeah, because it's really hard to source decent hardware in this country.
Wow, and
like Emmeline, I think it is. I've got some really good stuff, but they're in Canada, I think.
Oh, right, okay.
The postage and stuff, it gets really expensive. So, yeah, so I don't know where she gets it, but that's another reason I can't let my boxes go.
Why would you want to?
I know, because I get such great stuff in there that you can't get anywhere else. So
wow, and you've used a lot of them as well. You do make things with yours, whereas I've only used a box.
I haven't made that much lately. I do need to. I haven't made much full stop lately, have I? And I've been doing shoes this year mostly. So, yeah, so I will. But I do want to do a couple of different bags. Like I say, I've got the Swark one as well, which I've had for ages. So go and do that. But yeah, definitely. But I'm really loving that. And I like the waterproof ones that we get. because and the vinyls and stuff like that, because obviously we get the fabric box from So Hayley Jane, and it just adds to my fabric.
Yeah.
Very good. I'm not very good at having bags made out of fabric. I like them made more sort of more durable, I suppose. Because I like
Well,
to.
so especially in our climate, it's
Yeah.
good to have something waterproof.
Yeah, and I think fabric bags are nice if you sort of go out, but I don't go out that much. So mine are mostly for work or whatever. So I like to have bags that are durable and waterproof and strong.
Practical.
Yeah, practical. So I love it when I get fabrics like that. It makes me extra happy. Not that I don't
Yeah.
love the other fabrics, but actually there's that purple one I saw in my stash the other day that I haven't used. One that looks like it's got lettering on it, I think. That'd be a nice lining.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
That'd make a really nice lining with that we've got today.
Hmm.
So I think.
I hadn't thought that far ahead.
Neither right. It's only literally because I was sorting my fabrics out yesterday and I saw it and thought, must use it. It's really lovely. And now I'm thinking, we'll go with that one.
I'm kind of thinking maybe I might cut it out. I need to I've got the noodle head crescent tote that I still haven't made, and I've had that quite a while. So I'd like to get that made up at some point sooner rather than later.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe I might make Alana one of those.
Hopefully that'll spur you on a little bit.
Yes.
And actually,
indeed.
we get 2 months, don't we, between our boxes? We should do what we're doing with the So Hayley Jane and get something made up for our next one. But we've got 2 months for this one, so it's easier.
It's easier for you because you're experienced at bag making. I don't think it's easier.
Don't have to pick a complicated bag. There's plenty of non-complicated bags out there.
Yeah. Maybe. Maybe.
Oh, well, something to think about, Kelly.
We should think about that. Maybe we can do that. I've cut out a lot of Hayley Jane things. I should cut out some bags and put them into project bags so that I've got them there, and then maybe I'll get round to doing it.
No, you won't.
Because I've only
1 year, and at the end of the year, they're all still sat in their little bags because they're out of sight, out of mind.
Mine aren't out of sight, out of mind because I've got nowhere else to put them other than the floor.
Mine were in one of the little squares, and it was like, and at the end of the year, I got it out. I was like, oh, maybe I won't do those now.
That's so naughty.
I try not to think too far ahead now. So, and they
no, I've got a lot of projects cut out that I've not done.
So, but anyway, that's our bags. The boxes, oh, for goodness sake, I'm so sorry I'm a bit scatty tonight and I've thrown stuff all over the floor. And
they're bag maker boxes.
They are bag maker boxes, and you get our discount.
Well done. I was just going to say that.
Don't forget. But what's the discount? £5 off your first box?
£5 off your first box, yeah. And the code is Sistas in capital letters.
Yeah, I'll put that in when I do
I think. Can't be much simpler than that, can it? Yeah, no, they're beautiful. I don't know how Emma does it, really.
No, she's brilliant.
And you just had the virtual sewing room with her on Saturday, didn't you? Was that really cool?
Really, really good. Yeah, because she was talking about her previous career before she started doing this, doing the costumes, and it was amazing. I was absolutely gobsmacked. And obviously because of what Alyssa does, she's done some film work. So a lot of it I could relate to because of that, some of the things she was saying. Similar because obviously I know it's not the same department, but makeup and costume are closely related. And she was saying a lot of prosthetics and stuff, which is what Alyssa's done. So they've not worked on any of the same films, but it was really quite interesting. So
I bet.
We might have a surprise for you all next time we do our boxes, mightn't we?
We may well do. But we will definitely have a surprise for you next time we do boxes. Well, if everything goes according to plan.
Absolutely, definitely. And we might even have a made up bag.
No broken ankles. Yeah, we should try and make one up for that, shouldn't we?
Definitely, yeah. Okay, we've whittled on enough, I think.
Yes. Go and have some dinner.
Yeah. Hope you all enjoyed it. And can't wait to make something with mine. So,
yes,
happy
me
bag
too.
making.
Happy bag making. Bye.
Bye.